Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to SteadyRollin'Garage. And as you guys know from the last video, we got a little bit of work done on Jeremy's truck, a little give and take situation, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And for today, you guys can hear I have the Tacoma warming up. We're gonna head over to Ryan's. Something funky's going on with his truck, so we're gonna take a look at it and hopefully we can get it figured out today. Hope you guys enjoy coming along for the ride. Let's get it. Yes. As you guys can see, it is very gloomy today, so a little bit of a colder day to be working on the trucks.
5 minutes later.
We are here, ladies and gentlemen. There's the truck. I'm just gonna park up real quick. All right. Now, need to call Ryan, let him know we're here, get started on the truck. Yes, sir. The man himself. The man himself. What's up, man? What's up, man? Fucking A. Yee. We didn't really film too much of the diagnostic part. We pretty much figured out that the truck was not getting any spark. I believed it to be a faulty coil. I even brought a coil that I have sitting on the shelf here at home to double check on Ryan's truck. As you guys will see in the next couple clips, that was not it. So we started doing some more testing and same situation, working completely fine. The light is triggering when we're watching the box and we're just not getting any spark, no signal going to the coils or anything like that. The second time in a row, we ended up having to revert to the stock igniter running the system, but we did modify it to accept the blaster coil, as you guys will see in the next clip. Stay to the end. Hopefully we get some good news over at Holley or MSD support. Let's hope they can help us out. Yes, sir. Boom. Day 2. So we lost again. We had to hook up the original igniter and modify it and hooked up the tack wire and stuff. Left the MSD wiring and stuff because we took the box out. Everything that we were checking, me and Ryan diagnosed it, and we were thinking the coil was bad, so I brought a spare coil, ended up swapping it out, still not getting any spark. Did a bunch more tests on the box, and just wasn't getting spark. 12 volts everywhere, lights flashing, arming itself. The box was showing spark when we were trying to start it, but yeah, no luck. 2 MSD boxes in the past 2 videos. Both down. Jeremy's truck first, and then now Ryan's truck. It kind of sucks. What the fuck, Holley? You know, we like you guys.
Yeah, what? We'll be back.
Yeah, can't be disappointed. We already figured out what it was, and we got it to run, so. Yeah. We verified the truck runs, but right now, since we're done with that, me and Ryan are gonna hop on the clutch slave, just because it's been leaking for a little bit, and about time we address that. There's a positive side, I guess, right? MSD troubles, dude. Always around this time of the year when it's really, really cold or when it's raining a lot. I noticed that. Nice, nice.
Yep. Hey, stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you guys think about the video.
Fuck!
If you guys wonder why it takes us so long to get stuff done, it's because we're always down here fucking around.
Fucking right.
True steady rolling fashion, dog. Brand new and bled already, so should be working perfectly fine now. No more leaking. Next up, quick spark plug swap. Since we already have them, we'll just change them out. Might as well while we're here. Some NGKs, swap them out. Yee. Plugs, good to go. First time warming up in a long time.
That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
A little rough start. It's been trying to start with no spark, so guarantee lots of fuel in there. box right here. Fuck, dude. But at least it's running now for him. Fuck yeah, I mean, one win, one loss, right? We'll fucking take it where we can get it. Bram, this is pretty much like the last video. Jeremy lost the MSD and gained something else. Ryan lost the MSD, fixed this, and also threw in some new spark plugs just to kind of supplement with it all. But if you guys hear the carb, bro, it's sounding very healthy. The truck's actually running super smooth. We're gonna let the truck warm up. We're gonna take this little win. The truck hasn't ran in a couple weeks, so we're gonna enjoy it. We took a little bit of a loss, but we're still gonna come out on top. Figure out what's going on with these boxes, call up MSD support or whatever, and see if we can send them back to get repaired. Yes, sir. Test. This guy. Yeah, I hope everybody in the Les Schwab is looking at us right now.
Several days later.
What is up, guys? It's been a couple days, so here's a little update for you. Yes, we did get in contact with MSD support, and they verified that all the tests that we ran, all the troubleshooting we did, something's going on with the boxes. Super weird. It's weird that both of them had a problem at the same time. I think it's Brett that I talked to over at MSD support. He said that we probably have to make an appointment, send them in, get them repaired, and then they'll have them sent back to us. But before we try that, someone in the comments of the last video said that Jeremy could need a tack adapter, and that was what I was thinking originally, but I didn't know how to test it separate from the system. So we might try and get a tack adapter, slap that on, and if it works, we'll let it ride, and if not, we'll just return it. No harm done. We'll send the box back. As you guys know, we are one episode away from the end of season 2, and I want to thank you guys for rocking with us this whole time, supporting us, even though we took a bunch of L's this season. A small win here and there, but we always appreciate anybody that likes the video, commenting to let us know what you guys think. And most of you guys that subscribe just to stay up to date with us whenever we post a new video, we really appreciate it. With that being said though, stay tuned for season 3 because we're trying to come out with a bang, and I'm trying to start off season 3 real strong. That is gonna be it for us, guys. On the next video, we're gonna be checking out Zayden. His truck hasn't been running for a couple weeks, so we're gonna get that guy up and running strong, close out the season with a chill trip to Seattle with the fam. Don't forget, go down in the description below, follow us on TikTok and Instagram, steady.rollin'Garage. You know the deal, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, Steady Rolling Garage. We out. Yes, sir.